Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Tuesday the 4th of October. The euro fell yesterday on continued fears about the eurozone debt crisis. Eurozone finance ministers agreed that the next tranche of funding to Greece should wait until November, while Eurogroup chairman Juncker said there's going to be a discussion about the private sector's involvement in a second rescue for Greece. The single currency is also weighed by speculation. The ECB may cut interest rates later this week. Versus the US dollar, the single currency plunged to a 9-month low to 131.63 from 133.81. Against the Japanese yen, the euro dropped to a decade low at 175 from 103.23 as risk aversion dominated trades. ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet speaks later today and we wait for his announcements. Focus turns now to the Eurozone Producer Price Index at 9 GMT. The US dollar benefited from heightened risk aversion in the market and better than expected US economic data. ISM manufacturing PMI came out at 51.6, while it was expected to be 50.5. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar rose to 0.9217 from 0.9077. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback fell to 76.50 from 77.26. Fed Chairman Bernanke is expected to testify before the JEC, and clues regarding future monetary policy are awaited. The Australian dollar recorded a fresh one-year low against the US dollar at 0.9454. The Reserve Bank of Australia announced that interest rates are kept unchanged at 4.75%, expressing fears for a global economic slowdown. The British pound also slid against the dollar and traded as low as 154.20 from 155.90. Looking at commodities, oil prices dropped further to $75.80 a barrel from $79.60. Gold rose higher to $1,672.03 an ounce from $1,621.90. Silver also ticked higher yesterday to $31.38 an ounce from $29.77. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. No, I looked over and it wasn't there. Sorry.
Okay, we'll just cut a bit now. I'll cut it.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Go.
The euro-dollar pivot point is at 133 with a preference to enter into short positions at 132.90. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.90. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.96 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.96. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 155.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155.15, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 103.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.75. Now looking at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 78.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.65. The gold pivot point is at 1635 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1635, and the silver pivot point is at 30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 30. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. And on today's calendar, the market movers are the UK construction PMI in September forecast to fall to 51.5, Europe PPI index in September forecast to fall to minus 0.20%, and US factory orders change in September forecast to gain 0.20%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday with the SP 500 down 2.85% and the Dow was down 2.36%. The European bourses were negative also with the FTSE down 1.03%, the DAX was down 2.28% and the CAC was down 1.85%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.96% and the Hang Seng was down 0.36%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.